Hey guys, so we are back, and today I'll be unboxing this EZGO Teeth Whitening Kit with super light, and it comes with 28 strips. So if you guys are looking for a portable teeth whitening kit, this is $39.99 right now, and it is very portable. And this is not the kind that you use a pencil. I like that this is a strip kind, so that makes it more portable to bring anywhere for me. Okay, so it comes with this strip, like I said, it's 28 pieces, safe for sensitive skin teeth. Okay, so we'll see how good is that. Right now we're doing an unboxing and see if it's worth $39.99. Okay, so it comes with this portable container so you can protect it, and then there is this air vent here so you can keep it dry and doesn't get moldy. And now let's go and see. So this is a different kind of charger because it is not USB-C. I think this is the magnetic kind, but we're gonna go find out after we unravel these. Okay, so you can either charge it directly or you can use this port here. So I think this is magnetic, so we'll see. Yep, it is magnetic. And so if you don't want to bring a bulky kind, you can just bring it like this, but this is pretty helpful on putting it like this here. All right, and now let's go ahead and see the quality. Very nice silicone, better than my night guard for that price. Okay, so as you guys can see, very clear. Got all this light in here, and now let's try it on. Press. Okay, so you guys see that? Pretty nice light. Is there only one setting? This is auto shut off, I believe, for 10 minutes or 15. I'm not completely sure. Let's go see. This it says. Okay, USB charge. Do not swallow. Okay. Step 3, wait for 30 minutes. Oh, okay. So you apply the teeth whitening strips on your upper and lower teeth, and then press, and 3 seconds, turn it on and place into your mouth. Wait for 30 minutes. Oh my, I don't think 30 minutes, that's a long time. The whitening gel that I have, you only have to use it for 10 minutes, and that is already a pain for me. So that's gonna be quite an impassable stuff for me to do. But anyway, if you are used to this kind, $39.99, that's pretty good. Now let's go ahead and see how cool, what it looks like if we plug this in. Does it light up or what? Okay, so you're gonna go see a little bit of hint of light in here. It's not so bright, but you guys can see that. So when you're charging, I guess when it's charged, it's gonna turn green. Right now it's red because this is not fully charged. If I have to compare this to the one I have right now, this is basically the same, except this one uses the strips. I believe you can still use it if you prefer the gel kind, because this is just the LED light for whitening. Alright, is it worth $39.99? I think it is for the quality and for how much strip you get. If you guys gonna go get the whitening strip in the store, that's expensive. And this is 28 strips, and then this is pretty nice material that they use and very easy to operate. And I think, I'm very sure based on the look of these, that you can use the gel if you don't like this, if you don't like the strips, or if you have extra gel. But anyway, for $39.99 you get your home whitening teeth whitening kit at home, and that makes it very portable and make it, you don't have to go see the dentist for a while, because that costs a lot, at least from where I am. Alrighty guys, and with that said, and thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe to Yoni J, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.